Hi guys, this is Sakshi and welcome back to another study session. So today I decided not to go to college because the lectures were not that productive. So I thought of completing my backlog classes and it was around 9 a.m. and I started with current affairs and I studied for around 3 hours and also made notes along with the lectures. So let's start for the current affairs classes. Let's see.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Let's sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high.
So now it's done and I have covered all the important topics of today and it's 12 p.m. right now. Then I took a lunch break and also a short power nap.
2,000 years later.
So after taking some rest, I got back to studying and revised all the topics and revised my NCRT topics because मॉर्निंग में मैंने करंट अफेयर्स कंप्लीट किया एंड ऑनेस्टली इट फेल्ट गुड टू फिनिश दिस पार्ट सो माई मेन गोल फॉर टुडे इज़ टू कंप्लीट माई मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री बैकलॉग इसलिए मैं अभी NCRT रीड कर रही हूँ जस्ट टू रिवाइज द कॉन्सेप्ट बिफोर कंटिन्यूइंग विद द लेक्चर्स सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. And now it's around 6:30 and I took a small break because taking these small breaks really helps me stay focused for longer. And as I said that my main goal for today is to complete my backlog, so now I'm getting back to my lectures. So it has been almost 2 hours now and I have been continuously studying. Honestly, it's not always easy to stay consistent, but I'm trying my best. एंड फाइनली आज मैंने अपना बैकलॉग कंप्लीट कर लिया एंड इट फील्स रियली सेटिस्फाइंग टू कंप्लीट समथिंग आई हैव बीन dealing for so long. And after that I also revised a few topics at night just to make sure everything stays clear, and little revision at the end of the day really helps. So that's it for today. It was not perfect, but I tried, and trying to stay consistent every day and improve little by little. So, see you in the next vlog, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.